Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to enter music into the drum set in Musescore. We'll start like we do with any other thing in Musescore. Select the measure, note input, and you'll see this menu pop up down here. I guess you can edit it with whatever kind of instruments you want here, and it does tell you. It tells you what some of these odd ones over here are. Well, the X's, the triangles, and the diamond-shaped heads. So um, and I guess you can edit it. I have never ventured into that before, but maybe I will in the future. So, drum set, it actually consists of kind of two separate staves within the drum set. You have these green notes that sit on the bottom here, and then you have the blue notes that sit on the top. You know, the green is anything you do with your feet, and the blue is anything you do with your hands, cymbals and drums. And pedals are the green ones. So we'll start by, I like to enter my bass first always. And I, again, not real well versed in this. I just use it for basic pep band stuff. So show you a couple different things that I use sometimes. There's a bass drum. It's green. And we'll switch over here to hi-hat. Switch over to eighth notes. Fill these in. Now, if I wanted to have snare hits on 2 and 4, I'm going to have to use eighth notes because I've already got eighth notes in my top staff here. You have to kind of go with the greatest common factor, or the lowest common, whatever the math term is for that. You have to go with the smallest note that already is there, so or the smallest note that you want to work with. So we're sticking with eighth notes because if I try to put a quarter note in here on beat 2, it's going to mess some things up. So we have to leave it as eighth notes. That way it'll stack and connect together. Just like so. In this next measure, I'll do some 16th notes so you can kind of see how that works there too. If I wanted that 16th note in there for the snare, I'd have to use 16th notes on the hi-hat as well. Oops. So that's kind of what it looks like. I just recommend messing around with it a lot. You just have to get used to how it works.